Hi guys, good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're watching me from. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, for watching my video. Please don't forget to press the notification bell whenever you watch my video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video, for the likes, for the comment. I really appreciate you guys. Yes, we have a topic going on. When we say, if a woman cheats on you, will you forgive? Will you still love her and take her back? And we talk of the men. If a man cheats on you, not deliberate, not the ones that do it deliberately, that not for his own selfish interest, will you forgive? And today we are going to turn it around to our children or parents. Children cheat to save their parents. Parents cheat to also save their children. If you find out that your child cheats or your parents cheat to save you, will you forgive them for that act? So let's dive into the video. This one is for the parents. Yes. You know, as a parent, whether you are parents or children, is for both parents and children. This topic of today now for both papa, mama, and children. So parents means the both parts, whether father and mother together. Then for the children, whether boy or girl. You know, say some situation the day will be say, you know, say money to pay school fees, you know, say money to chop. Yes, it not be the right thing to do to cheat. You can work, you can do this, you can do that. Yes, but if paraventure, something come push you, say na the only option where you get. So do you prefer to keep your body, make your pikin not go school, or your pikin dey admission, or e dey deadly situation, like say some parents go say, yes, I cannot keep it, I cannot do it. Yes, you will be happy seeing your kpekos while your child is in the grave. What use a dog has when it is dead to the owner is of no use. Dog has no use to the owner when it is dead. That's the truth. That's not the only option, but we are here talking of the impossibility if such a thing happen. If you have the ability of it, may I tell you one thing, because I always like to give reference. You know, say we do day to day and our Bible. We will go to Bible, but may I give you one reference. You know, say get one film. This man and this woman, they are very religious. They go church, they believe in God and everything. But e get one house girl wey dey with them, don't deal with them, they serve them everything. E get woman dey at the point of death, and this day they don't get any other money for house, they don't get anything. There is nothing you can do. Bank not dey open. The only money wey dey with them na to pay their tithes, na their tithe money. And one of the house girl mama dey die. He beg and say, oga, first give me first. I beg. Now the only money, the man say, I'm dey sorry, there is nothing I can do because I want to use that money pay tithe. The tithe wey you dey pay, say bring ye tithe into my household so that there will be enough meat. And try me if I will not open the heaven, the doors and windows of heaven to pour you out what? Blessing. And what it make me dey talk these things so? Whether you be parents or you be children, listen. So that we're not going to make some mistake at the end, we're going to regret. He say it's too late to cry when the head is off. This man look and the wife say, and they find pikin for long. They never get pikin. They believe God. They be believer. Real one. They believe God for pikin. They not give this house girl. The house girl mama die. So the corporate people say, God, wait till be a brother and say, the time when you supposed save soul, you not save. And that is the day of your miracle. I know they use this media, they tell you now, say if you get your tithe money, may you go give beggar or anything. But when somebody come, because you are also doing the work of God by saving another person. He said there is no greater love than a man to lay down his life for another. You dey save soul. He said there is much more joy in heaven over one soul that repented. If you save soul, it will help. Saving a soul. You say you want pay tithe, you prefer to pay tithe to get blessing than to save somebody's life. So now, so most of us, they get it wrong. I asked somebody one day, I say, come, this thing we did also, if there is no other option and maybe my children are hungry, I need to give them food, I have no other option, nowhere to run to, nobody to go to, then you expect me to leave my kpekus with me? What shall it profit a man when he gain the whole world and lose his soul? I leave her with me. Yes. Some of you will say, I think you be Christian with this. We are talking about the impossibility. If it happens as a parents or as children, God will provide. We all know that. If peradventure, na the state or na the condition where we say that is the only option. When Abraham for Bible, one of the listing because na the same Bible we they read too. That is the book of Genesis. I go bring and come out because I don't even think to read that verse before. When Abimelech say in like Sarah, in one Maria, fear not let Abraham talk to Sarah and her wife. He give her out. If not God intervention, he give Sarah out because he not fit drag with king. You know say where the word of king is, there is what? Power. Abraham not fit drag with Abimelech because why? Na king. He give his wife out and pretend to say it's my sister. Abimelech won't sleep with the woman. My God, don't try it. It's his wife. He lied. See, all liar will find themselves in the lake of hell. He lied. That Sarah is the sister, Sarah is not the sister. He gives Sarah heart to save the both of them life, because they would have killed Abraham and still married Sarah. He only gives Sarah heart to save what? Their life. It's better I'm seeing you in the hands of another man than to die. Maybe most of them don't know where the talk they go now. So, if that is the only option, my sister, that you have to do to save your child's life. All of us say, Abraham carry pikin. We not see him now. That was the only child. He still believe in God and God provide. He take a drastic action. He lied to Sarah that he was going for sacrifice. He even lied to his son and say, that father, the wood is here, everything is here. Where is the lamb? He said God will provide, and he tied pikin. It also tell your wife for no green. He lied to his wife and said, I'm going to make sacrifice. Where is the lamp? He said the lamp is coming. There was no lamp. Now pikin be one go use. And the drastic action where you use. What I want to try to tell you for years. So this thing don't happen for day-to-day life too. I don't know that most of them don't look at this super story towing tomato. Go try and look at it. It's a very powerful. In fact, anytime I watch that film, I always cry. You can do it to save your life or your children as a woman or as a man. Don't do it for your spouse, because that thing, he will be using it to judge you. This towing tomato, his husband or go see work. As the man see his wife say, may you just take one for his side. Now the man say, God forbid. The woman say, God forbid. The man persuade this woman. This time, the man, they go to beg his wife, may go sleep with another man, may he forget job because the suffer one too much. They lost one pikin at the edge of that suffer. Another one called they sick. The woman not even they get peace again. Another one is sick. He don't feel lost one. There is no other option. It's okay. Since now you send me my husband. The woman reach there. The woman close the eye with this blind. He tie eye. Say, he no go fit their life. May see another man they climbing. He tie eye. Now parents so with this so. The woman tie eyes. The man God touch her. If God see your heart, your sacrifice, he must surely touch that person. God touched the man. And the man say, why you close your eye? And I say, in vow for your life, say, no other man will ever sleep with him and pass on your husband. And now we be saying a condition carrying, he can't do this one. And even the husband, he no go fit open the two eyes, still look you. So now make it close the eye. Do what you want to make her get up. The man was touched. And the man said, don't worry. I don't want to do anything. They wear your clothes. I give your husband everything with him. The husband never work rich 1 year. He see another woman way in life. He no know, he want to pursue the woman way help her. When the woman reach her, say, let me explain what happened to you. He not let the woman even explain. And after the woman come back, he still they sleep with the woman. Oh. He not let the woman explain. They sleep with the woman. So the woman got on and say, may I explain it? He say, no worry, I'll not be as to sleep with her. Then the man say, no. The man say, no one just see anything. Then now you send your wife go, and now you don't want to hear anything. After some time, the woman can't get belle. The woman can't tell the man, say, I ain't get belle. The man say, okay. No, no, say the other man not sleep with the woman. The man say, okay. The man just go out one day because he don't see fresh woman. He don't see woman where he want marry. That make me tell you just now, say, you can do it for yourself or your children. Don't do it for your spouse, whether you be a man or a woman, especially with the women. Especially with the women. The man don't see woman when he want marry now. He don't see wife fit to. The man by himself just tell wife, say, make he cook. He arrange somebody where he cook. The person cook, do everything. Say, we get visitor today. Oh. The woman prepare, arrange. Say, my husband, they don't get money. This time money don't fall everywhere. They don't get house, they don't get everything. Money don't dey. Just like the old story where I tell her for the lady who cheat. Money don't dey. The man call both the woman family and both your own family. Mommy, welcome. Daddy, who call una? Who call una? Say na your husband or your husband. We get family meeting. Now the woman and the husband sit down. The man carry the other woman come. Now you call for this meeting. Wetin happen? Say me they answer wife. Where wife for see belle we carry come. The woman was shocked. In fact, the biggest shame of his life. Now the woman can say, which kind of talk be that one? Then I say me they answer the woman whether so and so man not sleep with her yoga and the woman sleep with your yoga. Come carry pikin give me. Not tossing I send the woman again. No story don't change. The first way that you go, the woman say you go there, but you not sleep. May the woman even explain a lie. Anything will make you come out. Now the man say me. No be me, oh. Who did there? Who signed? Who say you? Now, yeah, say go sleep with her. Right now, they marry again. Mona carry her family go fast. The mother and the father of that woman. The children, everybody was devastated. The man pursued that woman, pursued children. Even family, any family where you say you cheat without, they not even consider. You go the man house at all, say yes. So, you know if you can't say they do or you not do. So long as you go there. Come pursue this woman, come out. Carry the new woman. The new woman. This woman come suffer. Train the children. Sure, they come become somebody. They carry their woman go Europe. The man. All the money where he work. The new woman sell everything for her head. Because not being follow and suffer. He come meet and meeting money. He don't know as money take come. Let make me advise woman for the other. For the women home before say. If you they do it. Make sure say you do it for your own interest, oh. The man can't reach, get money, get everything. The other new woman. Sell everything, not born for the man. Sell everything. Make sure say they pursue the man for work. Do everything. The man go back to even that's the first wife for save her more than square one. Square zero. This time around, he say, I like this verse of Bible. Say, weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Now, when day one break, now you go see the day go dark. You say, hey, day still dark. Oh, before you know, it don't start to the bright. It don't start to the bright. It don't start to the bright. This is how the things of this world is. Do not be mocked and do not be deceived. Whatsoever a man sows, that he will reap. So now, so this thing, the man, they can't remove their mama for suffer, take care of their mama. The man come to school at 1, 0. School at 1. And I call the beg, gonna be my children. Oh, they be your children. When you abandon them, say, now what happen to your mama, that go happen to them. At last, now the man, when he sack and say, you are a very useless man. Do you know that I never slept with your wife? That woman was so loved you and everything. What even happen? Sorry. After years, the organ even know say this man pursue your wife. Oh. The organ can happen to see this woman in a very weird situation. Madam, waiting. I say for long ago, the young man not there with him again, saying sleep with you, call family or do everything. Really? When the man here, now he go office, go tell the man, say, you pursue your wife and you marry another woman. The woman will sacrifice for you. I never slept with her. And then the man for know the truth. I never slept with your wife. See what happen, see what happen, see what your wife do. Will make me not ever feel sleep with her. That and then the man can't know the truth. When the man can't know the truth, it's too late to cry when the head is off. You know, say some children, if they catch you, I don't ever talk this story before. This woman get 3 children for this man. No, you see the most eldest one, not even the man. Say, and now this man, now he dey with this man before he get belle, born, do everything. He can't marry the girl. He born, and this man I know to a papa 20-something years. Can't find out the most senior one not be even you. Even the drag for the last one said the woman they cheat. How that pikin one ever for his life they forgive him mama? Now children, when they understand, he say, will they get 3 types of children? Will they get children? Will they get children will get good heart of God? And will they get normal children? If you say waka waka, okay, because if my papa may you throw something meet you, the ones will be children. Whatsoever you sow is what you reap. You not take care of me, so now I don't know you. When you not get godly children, I will not say, okay, because of God. Make I just help you. Not be say you deserve them, but because of God. This man can't find out the most senior will be saying with an apadi picking when you do from inside belly they take care of the 20-something years. Tell me how that picking go ever to forgive him, mama. Person where I know say na be my papa, because 20-something years don't know the meaning of cheating. He don't get sense. He know what it be life. Person when I think say na be my papa, mama, how could you do a thing like this? Also with you, father. See the one they rain these days, papa go to sleep with the pikin, give am belle. The one where they just cash for Delta State now. He give pikin don't born 2 children for her. Just lock the pikin for his house, make they born. They happen for here for Europe too. One man lucky pikin for Keller for 12 years. No, it's be Keller. Where they pack things where you not they use, but you need them. They keep, they store, be like store warehouse. Lock the pikin for them. They join the wife, they find pikin. No, no, see now in by itself lucky pikin. The pikin come born 4 children for her. One they at the point of death. For inside that Keller, the girl not they see light, see anything. The children not they see light. Papa, not be uncle, not be brother. Papa will born pikin, lucky pikin for his house. They give her belle, me they born for her. If they join the wife, they find the pikin for her side. And when one of the pikin is sick, point of death, now he rush the pikin go hospital. They call they find date of birth. Where they for born this pikin? Which hospital they for born her? The name not this system. And there the man nyash for open. They can't arrest him. And then nyash for open. And there the man nyash for open. So the advice when I get for now, some children they sleep with who they're not supposed to sleep with just to pay their parents' medical bill or to remove them from street or do 1 or 2 things. And you as a mama, you can't find out. Will you forgive your child? Will you forgive your parents? Forgiveness is the level of understanding and humanity that you have. And humility that you have. Consider yourself if not meet this person's shoe. This one now for parents and for children. The other ones now for husband, for wife, for this thing. Ephesians 6. Oh, look at what he talk concerning children and parents. Oh, look what the Bible talk for them. May not be like say they talk. Ephesians 6 from verse 1. We'll read, they jump and we'll read and come down. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and your mother, which is the first commandment with promise, that it may be well with you and you may live long on earth. And you fathers, do not provoke your children to wrath, but bring them up in the training and administration of the Lord. Bond service, be obedient to those who are your masters according to the flesh, with fear and trembling in society, in sincerity of heart as to Christ. In sincerity of heart as to Christ. Not with eye service or heart, not with high service of heart, as it's Christ's burnt service, Christ doing the will of God from the heart, with good will, doing service as to the Lord and not to man, knowing that whatever good anyone does, he will receive the same from the Lord, whether it is slave or free. Whether you be servant or you be oga, any good way you do, Do not be mocked. Whatsoever a man sow, that it will reap. Of what use a dog has to the owner when it is dead? It's of no use. God say, forgive your enemy. He not give us prayer point too. Pray for your enemy. He not give us prayer points. Forgive your enemy. He not tell us where we go keep the thing when it happen. You say forget that matter. They know they leave am for farm or go throw away for inside bush. Now inside your belly that matter wey they say make they forget still dey. Handwriting wey dey wo na person na write am. Pray for your enemy. You not give us prayer point. Fall down and die. God save you. God protect you. He not give us prayer points. This one is quite different from cheating. So this life, when we dey do something, we go dey think say na the next person. The heart and the level of forgiveness wey you give another person na determine wetin you become. Your present situation is not your personality. The woman wey go cheat, that woman wey dey catch and the adultery act, they pursue the woman to stone her to death. Every day they answer that question. What about the man? They drag the woman to Jesus. We just caught her in an adultery act. We want to stone her to death. What about the man? At least she committed it with somebody. What about the man? You want to set the man free and kill the woman? What about the man? And Jesus say, if you know, you will be bicycle thief. You say you want to go cash out thief fowl. Pot where they call Kento black. Not be the same charcoal that they use for the two of them. You will never cash for your own. Now you be freeborn. You be free person. You be sent. Now who get belle? Now they flex. He tell them, say, if you know you have not sinned, cast the first stone on the woman and let her die. One of the truest stone with them, so you waka waka. Especially we women, we have form of doing it. If you see a woman wey cheat from a husband's house, or you can't find out that the woman can't do one abominable thing, and you will be woman go fair condemn your fellow woman. You can never try to, hey, what you go make her? What you go do? Try to see reasons with other people. Try to know the reason. I don't feel talk from one of my videos, say, I get 10% capacity, another person fit get 50, another person fit get 15, another person fit get 30, another person fit get 20, another person fit get 1. Somebody fit get 0. You not get at all. No sauna, no we ain't go also. Not because you dey pull hand for something and they work for you, consider that person, you not sabi they also, you don't know how to do business, or you don't know anything. No. Do not judge a book by its cover. You as children, don't go find out your man sleep with your friend, papa, or he sleep with somebody. You call because of that one, God forbid, can never be my mother. Or you do some abominable thing, you don't know the reason. Try to find out before you judge. And try to put that person in your shoe. If I were in this shoe, will I do a thing like this? It's very important. It's very, very important. I don't feel make friends with this prostitute. You will don't sleep more than 10 men. What do you be? Do you know the reason why she's doing it? There's no justification. There is. There must be a reason for something. Judas Iscariot, you know, see food chop, we go sell Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ himself, he seller. If you look at the book of Genesis, where Jacob now, we know Jacob. Isaac became the twin, Jacob and Esau. When he married his uncle 2 daughters, the uncle they cheat him. The children of his own uncle, the 2 daughters when he married, he tell them, say, I want to leave your father's house because he has been cheating me. They say, yes, even he treated us somehow because we were not like a slave that was sold out. His own children, I use their mouth to talk. Joseph brother, they sell their brother out. Name them. Jephthah for inside Bible. They pursue her because they not marry mama for that house. But wait, things can't turn around. It not can be only head for a papa house. It can be the full head for the full community. When the Lord turned back the captivity of Zion, we're like them that dream. When they look at this person, hey, what's it gonna make her? Why? You know they satisfy. There is mystery to so many things that you don't know. A bad woman, a this, you know they satisfy with what you get. But the men they satisfy because if you come my own, you man not they dress, you know sabi cook, you know sabi keep man, you know they do this, you go see something talk. But when it comes to a fellow woman, I go condemn her. You don't see the way they dress. Which man go marry that one? Which man go put this one? Which man go do this? You go condemn her. If you are a parent, you find out your child is doing a prostitute to survive, or all the money she has been bringing, she has been doing prostitute. Will you forgive your child? If you are a child, you not find out that your mother is doing prostitution or sleeping with somebody that you know just to get money to train you people or to take care of you people, to feed you. Will you forgive your mother? And if you are a man, if you are a parent, you find out that your father has been sleeping with one auntie or somebody that is close to you just to make a living man. Will you forgive? It's good we talk about it. The topic is not forgiveness. When somebody did something wrong to you, not just wrong for their own selfish interest, to protect everybody, will you forgive? If your mother sleep with somebody, whether knowing you need or not, to make sure things went well for you, will you forgive? If your child is doing prostitution to bring money home, will you forgive that child when you not find out, God forbid, I wash you away from my child, you can never be my child, you are not my mother, you shame, they catch me, you they do this, or you are not longer my father, how can you do it like that? How can you sleep with my friend? How can you do this? How can you do that? Do we forgive? We see where we read in the Bible. Forgive those that sin against you so that your heavenly Father will forgive you. Let's look at the act first of all. Jesus Christ told the woman, say, go and do what? Sin no more. Go and sin no more. I will end this video here. Thank you guys for watching my video, for subscribing to my channel. You guys are the best. Thank you guys. Stay tuned and wait for my next video. I promise to bring you an interesting topic next time. Bye.